In. Four accused who had formed a Mujahideen army and intended to overthrow the democratic system and establish a Sharia system were arrested by the Uttar Pradesh Anti-Terrorism Squad, that is the ATS. The ATS of Uttar Pradesh received intelligence that some individuals in various districts of Uttar Pradesh, influenced by radical Pakistani organizations, were planning to overthrow the democratically elected government in India through violent jihad and impose a Sharia law through force. All right, let's get all the updates. We are joined in by Mr. S.P. Vaid, who is a former DGP of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us here on Republic TV. Sir, now these four suspects have been arrested. They were conspiring to form Mujahideen army. Give us more updates, that they were influenced by radical Pakistani organizations. They were holding different meetings in different organizations, in different locations. How do you look at this entire plot now?
See, Pakistan continues with its policy. There is no change in last many years. I'm seeing as far as jihad is concerned, but this particular module is about creating an jihadi army and then overthrowing the elected government. These Pakistani handlers will continue pursuing their policy of creating radical elements in this country and create a situation of complete chaos and law and order, regime change, what you saw in Bangladesh and Nepal. I think these jihadi elements in Pakistan and foreign-funded regime change exercises will continue. We have to be very alert in this country, and I think our police forces and intelligence agencies are doing commendable job to keep a track on all those who are getting all these trainings, all these fundings from across the border, and also from other countries who are funding these elements for creating chaos and law and order situation like what we saw in Bangladesh and Nepal.
Sir, but considering the fact that these four suspects have been arrested in Uttar Pradesh, what are the chances that, similar gangs may be operating in the other states as well? And what measures can be taken to ensure that there is a considerable coordination between the different intelligence organizations to ensure that, these suspects are arrested from other places in India as well?
Yes, that is the most important aspect, and I think that is where coordination between the central intelligence agencies like Intelligence Bureau, RAW, Army Intelligence, we have to co-opt everyone. So we have monthly meetings of the coordination between different agencies. I think that is practiced in almost all the states and state